Today we're going to talk about equations, equation chains, and vertical form. Our learning target is I can write equations in equation chains. And I can use the vertical form for addition and subtraction. So I want you to look at all of these and tell me, are these equations true? You can see there's an equal sign in every single number sentence, so that makes it an equation. And look at this. So is 5 equal to 5? Yes, of course it is. If we look over here, we have 1 plus 4 equals 4 plus 1. Does the number change when we flip the add-ins? No. Looking here, 5 equals 2 plus 3. That's a little different than what we're used to because usually we see the equation 3 plus 2 equals 5, like we see below there. But all of these are true. If you look at the very bottom, 20 minus 10 equals 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's 2 5 times. That equals 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. Every single equation on this page is true. Different equations are shown here. To be an equation, there's an equal sign and both parts on each side is equal. It could be two numbers together, added together. It could be the same number. It could be an addition on one side and subtraction on the other side. But to make this true, an equation has an equal sign. Is 6 equals 7 true? Of course not. We know that if you had $6 and $7, you would have two different amounts. They are not equal. So you can see here, instead of with the equal sign, there's a line through that. That means not equal. We're going to be making equation chains. And an equation chain looks like a train, and each boxcar is connected by an equal sign. Every single part, every boxcar is equal to the same amount. For this equation chain, it is 5. You can see all of the parts that are separated by an equal sign. And everything included is equal to 5. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 4 plus 1, and 6 minus 1. Every single part is equal to 5. Here's an equation chain for 7. You can see, once again, there's the equal signs. When we have the equal sign, each part is equal to 7. You can use addition, you can use a subtraction. Every single part is equal to 7. When we use the term horizontal and vertical for equations, it means the direction. Horizontal means side to side. When you're in art class, we talk about the horizon line. That's going across. So we can write equations going across. We can also write it vertically. That is up and down. So horizontal equations for this math mountain, you can see 9 plus 4. 9 and 4 are the partner add-ins. We can do that horizontally. We can also do it vertically. This is for an unknown total. We don't know the total amount. So when it's vertical, the answer goes on the bottom. When it's horizontal, it goes all the way to the right-hand side. And we can see that that's 13 when we put the unknown total in there. Here is a horizontal and vertical equation for an unknown add-in. So if we know the total, but we don't know an add-in, for addition, the second number would be unknown. So horizontally, there's a blank, and vertically, the number on the bottom is a blank. And that the unknown number is 4. So we can show equations horizontally and vertically. We also can make our equation chains, and the key with the equation chain is every single part has to be equal to the same amount. Thank you so much.